Using the Sarwa trading app to manage your investments is designed to be user-friendly. Here's a guide to get you started. Download and install. Get the app. Download the Sarwa app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install. Follow the prompts to install the app on your mobile device. Sign up or log in. Create account. Open the app and tap Sign up if you're a new user. Enter your email, phone number and create a password. Verify identity. Complete the identity verification process by uploading required documents and verifying your phone number. Log in. Existing users can simply log in with their credentials. Set up your portfolio. Initial setup. Choose your investment goals and risk tolerance. The app will suggest a portfolio based on your preferences. Customize. Adjust your portfolio allocations if needed or use predefined options. Deposit funds. Add funds. Go to the deposit section and follow the instructions to transfer funds into your Sarwa account. Monitor investments. Track performance. Use the Portfolio tab to view and manage your investments. Check performance and review recent transactions. Access research and tools. Explore. Utilize the app's research tools, market insights, and educational resources to make informed decisions. Make adjustments. Rebalance. Adjust your portfolio or make additional investments as needed.